Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into the latest update for VMware Workstation Pro version 17.6.3. It's released on March 4, 2025. This update brings some exciting new features and important fixes that you won't want to miss. Let's get started. First up, VMware Workstation Pro 17.6.3 has resolved two critical security vulnerabilities, CVE 2025-22224 and 22226. These vulnerabilities could have laid out of bound right upon malicious code execution, so it's great to see them addressed in this update. One of the most significant changes in this release is that VMware Workstation Pro no longer requires a license key and is now free for commercial, educational, and personal use. This is a game changer for many users who rely on this powerful virtualization software. In addition to the security fixes and licensing changes, VMware Workstation Pro 17.6.3 also include various bug fixes requested by customers. For example, the update resolves an issue where the software would crash when booting a virtual machine on some systems. It also fixes a problem where virtual machines on Windows 11 host would become unresponsive after unlocking the host. However, there are still some known issues to be aware of. The multi-monitor feature might not work correctly in specific topologies, and there is no workaround for this issue at the moment. Overall, this update brings some much needed improvements and enhancement to VMware Workstation Pro, and if you haven't already, make sure to download and install the latest version to take the advantage of these new features and fixes. You can find more details in the release notes linked in the description below. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tech updates and tutorials. See you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.